I will show you how to make this logo shine effect in Premiere Pro. Head to Effects and then search Lighting Effects and then apply the effect to the icon layer. Now go to the toolbar and then click and hold on the Object Mask tool and select the pen mask. Now left click on the preview and then create this long rectangle mask and make sure that the mask is taller than the icon. Now inside Effects Controls, under Assign Mask, you will see the mask that we've created. To assign it, simply click and drag it to Lighting Effects. Now to get the shine effect, simply increase the ambience intensity to your liking. And you may need to increase the surface gloss and the surface material if the shine is hard to see. To smoothen out the edges of the shine, you can increase the feather value. Now to animate it, make sure you're at the start of the layer and then expand transform. Now create a position keyframe and then move the mask to the left, so it's outside the icon. Then move forward around 1 second and then move the mask to the right, to the other side of the icon. And you can also smoothen out the shine effect by selecting the position keyframes, then right click temporal interpolation ease in and then right click and select ease out. And you can tweak it further by expanding transform and then adjusting the graph. We have now created this icon shine effect. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.